I want to make a bag like this one. I want to stitch it like this and then turn it. So I will have to skive the gusset and the part of the big piece of leather. It will be soft and light, but I will make it for it reinforcements. Why I don't use this one? Because I made some mistakes when I make the gusset. I don't like how it looks when I close it. I don't want to see these parts. So I will try to place a strap here. So I will make a reinforcement with buckles here. And this gusset will stay exactly as I want, like this. I don't want to see it going out from the cover of the bag. I like this combination, but I will make another one this time, because I have a lot of beautiful leather. This is the new pattern, not finished. I didn't finish it. I don't know what I will do with the gussets. You see? This is the leather I will use. Very beautiful leather. I really like it. This is the pattern, everything on it. This will be exactly this part. Here will be the reinforcement here. This will be the strap. We will place the buckles on this part. This will keep the straps in place, and I don't know exactly how I will do with the gusset, but for sure I'll try to make it a sort of keeper, something like this, or two smaller keepers. I also want to make some decoration on this gusset. And I have to present you my new cat, one of my new cats. She is Sushi. You touch her, she purrs. A very, very nice cat. Really a lovely cat. I finished the gusset. It will be like this. It will have a stitching that will bring this part inside, and it will be this that will be bent like this, and the strap will go from here to here, and will keep everything in place. Now let's cut. I will cut everything like this. I will show you after that. Cut. I made the signs. Let's make holes. I made the handle. These are the reinforcements. One of the reinforcements will be on the face of the bag. The other one will be here on the back of the bag. I will place the straps here and here. I will place the handle here, like this. And I will place the buckles here. Everything about this is easy, so I won't insist with that. I will make the gusset, which is important. This is one already with holes in it. Here it will be a strap that will keep it. I will stitch these holes like this, and I will stitch this like this. But first, let me show you how I do with this. I have signs, you have the pattern, and it's easy to make everything using the pattern. But as you already know, for me it is easier to use glue. Use the signs on the pattern to spread the glue. You can use double adhesive tape. Now I will place this a little down like this. You see, I have signs here, so I will use them to place this correct, like this. And of course I will make the holes. I have this heavy plastic sheet, and like always I will attach the round punch on my finger, and I'll start to make the holes using the signs if you need. I don't need the signs. I always keep my finger here so this can stay here. I control the flow of the leather. As you see, I glued and made holes in everything. So now I will stitch this, everything. I will stitch everything. I will stitch this part too, this stitching. And after that, I'll come and I will show you how all these things looks. Of course, you can stitch everything with a sewing machine. There is no problem in doing this. Everything is simple, everything is clear. You can stitch it. You use the hole marks to match the parts, and then you glue them, and then you can stitch them with the sewing machine. Using my traditional magnetic pony stitch, which consists in this weight and this neodymium magnet. I packed it in some thin leather because otherwise it will scratch my leather. So, as you see, I don't need to see my left hand. I insert the needle and then I come with the other needle. Stitching a detail. As I already told you, everything can be stitched with a sewing machine. This bag can be made entirely with a sewing machine. This is almost everything here. I have to stitch the straps here and the handle, of course, with sewing machine. Of course you can stitch it or by hand, like this, here and here, in these buckles. I will stitch all this, including the handle. I prefer to place it like this. I want to see the light color when you do it in front. It is glued. I made the holes. I want to show you how to stitch it by hand, but this bag, like another 2 or 3 objects I made, can be stitched entirely with a sewing machine. I stitched everything except the straps that will keep this in place. I will make a strap from here to here and another one from here to here, and now I will stitch it like this. Eu am chiar de la el și asta, că am plătit
Da,
card.
lasă să vină să spună.
Da, da, da.
Am așa o situație tot așa, unii din Germania vin, îmi dau un aparat.
I already stitched the gussets like this. They have a very, very beautiful profile. After I will stitch them here, here, they will look a lot better. So easy to stitch. You can do it with your sewing machine if you want to do it. Let's finish this stitching and turn the bag inside out. And now let's see what have we done. Like this. This is a very, very good soft leather. We need to stitch this here. I will stitch it here, and here I will place a buckle, this buckle. It will stay here, and this will go through this and goes this. I measured the keeper for this buckle. It is as big as this. You see, everything goes smooth. I will stitch and I will place them there. Let's stitch this, and after that this will be ready. And now let's see. this, oh, it keeps the gusset under the cover of the bag, exactly what I intended. Oh, I'm surprised, it works really well. Okay. Let's finish this bag. I only have to place the straps. You will have the whole signs, but I will show you how to do this easier. Glue and glue. Of course, glue. Always glue. I place it. You see, I glue it. It stays. Like this. Soft bag. It is like a pillow. You can sleep on it. Very nice leather, very nice. Here it is. You can see it. You can make this bag entirely by sewing machine.